Alright fam, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something we've been testing for weeks, air fryers. Not just any fryers, we're talking the top 5 beasts of 2025. We cooked with them, cleaned them, cursed at a couple, and praised the ones that actually delivered. So if you're tired of soggy fries or uneven chicken, this one's for you. First up, the COSORI Turbo Blaze. This thing is a straight up rocket. We ran it through fries, wings, reheated pizza, even proofed some dough, and it didn't flinch. The turbo mode is no joke. It gets hot fast and cooks even faster. The ceramic basket, easy wipe down, no scrubbing drama. What I loved most was the temp control. It's precise, like you're dialing in a sous vide. If you want speed, control, and crispy results without babysitting your food, this one's a no-brainer. Links in the description. Grab it while it's hot, literally. This one's for the folks who want plug-and-play cooking. The Instant Vortex Plus is compact, but punches above its weight. We used it for wings, roasted veggies, and even reheated leftover biryani, and it nailed the texture every time. The presets are actually useful, not just marketing fluff. And the app, it's loaded with recipes that don't suck. Stainless steel finish looks clean on the counter, and it doesn't hog space. If you're cooking for 1 or 2 and want something reliable and smart, this is it. Hit the description for the best price and our go-to accessories. It's a slick little unit. Now this Philips 3000 series, it's built for people who want crispy food without the grease guilt. We tested samosas, salmon, and even banana chips, and the fat removal tech actually works. You can see the oil pooling at the bottom, which is kinda gross, but also satisfying. The cooking window is clutch. You can peek without opening and losing heat. And cleanup, easiest of the bunch. If you're into clean eating but still want crunch, this one's your ride or die. Check the description for bundle deals and our favorite recipes. It's a health win. Ninja Air Fryer Pro AF141. This one surprised me. The Ninja AF141 is small but mighty. We threw in frozen fries, chicken skewers, even reheated dosa, and it came out crispy, not rubbery. The crisper plate does its job, and the non-stick basket is actually non-stick. No peeling, no drama. It's perfect for tight kitchens or folks who just want a reliable fryer without all the bells and whistles. Straightforward, solid, and consistent. Tap the description for the best price and our favorite cooking combos. It's a no-fuss winner. Ninja Foodie DZ550 Dual Zone XL. This one's a monster. The DZ550 has 2 separate baskets, so we ran chicken in one and veggies in the other. Both finished at the same time thanks to Smart Finish. The match cook feature is genius if you're doing double batches, and the smart thermometer? Game changer. No more guessing if your meat's done. It's built for families, meal preppers, or anyone who wants to cook 2 things at once without juggling timers. It's big, it's smart, and it's worth the counter space. Check the description for product links and smart bundles. This one's built for serious cooking. Alright, that's our crispy lineup for 2025. We tested, we tasted, and we're still eating leftovers. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen game, check the description for all the product links and best prices. Smash that like button, sub if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments which one you're grabbing. Catch you in the next one.